Hey, what's up, travelers? Welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a trip to Ibiza, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know about this stunning island. From the best towns and beaches to must-see attractions, we've got you covered. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. You don't want to miss out on any of our travel guides, right? All right, let's get started with your ultimate Ibiza travel guide. Ibiza is one of Spain's Balearic Islands, famous for its nightlife and beautiful beaches. But it's more than just a party destination. There's something for everyone here. From stunning coastlines to charming villages, Ibiza offers a mix of relaxation and adventure. Whether you're looking to explore its vibrant culture, chill on the beach, or dance the night away, this island has it all. Let's dive into the top towns you need to visit while in Ibiza. First up, we've got Ibiza town, Ibiza. This is the island's capital and where you'll find a mix of history, culture, and nightlife. Take a walk through Dalt Vila, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its cobbled streets and incredible views. It's also home to some of the best restaurants and bars on the island. Next, head to San Antonio. This place is known for its legendary sunsets and wild nightlife. The Sunset Strip is a must-visit, with iconic bars like Café Mambo and Café Del Mar. By day, you can relax on the beach or take a boat trip to nearby coves. For a more laid-back vibe, check out Santa Eulalia. This town is perfect if you're traveling with family or just want to unwind. It's got a beautiful marina, lovely beaches, and great seafood restaurants. Finally, explore the hidden gem of San Juan. Located in the north of the island, it's more about nature and tranquility. This is where you'll find local markets, scenic hikes, and a taste of traditional Ibiza. But wait. If you're looking for a mix of charm and authenticity, don't miss San Carlos. This small village retains the bohemian spirit that made Ibiza famous in the 60s and 70s. It's a great spot to experience the relaxed hippie vibe with cozy cafes, local artisans, and even a historic bar, Bar Anita, which has been a gathering spot for artists and free spirits for decades. If you're visiting on a Saturday, be sure to stop by Las Dalias Market, where you'll find everything from handmade crafts to live music, adding a unique flavor to your trip. All right, let's talk beaches, because Ibiza has some of the best in Europe. First up is Cala Conte, often considered the most beautiful beach on the island. The turquoise waters and stunning views are out of this world. Get there early because it's popular and can get crowded, especially in summer. Then there's Cala d'Or, famous for its view of Es Vedrà, the mysterious rock island. This is a great spot for both sunbathing and watching the sunset. For a more secluded experience, check out Cala Salada. It's a little tricky to reach, but once you're there, you'll be rewarded with clear waters and fewer tourists. If you're into water sports, head to Playa d'Embossar. This is one of the longest beaches on the island and is perfect for jet skiing, paddleboarding, and more. Plus, it's close to some of the top beach clubs if you're in the mood to party after a day in the sun. Now let's talk about the attractions you can't miss. First, there's the hippie market in Es Cavallet. It's one of the largest and most famous markets on the island. You can find everything from handmade jewelry to bohemian clothing and souvenirs. For history lovers, visit the necropolis of Puig de Molins. This ancient burial ground dates back to the Phoenicians and offers a fascinating look into Ibiza's past. If you're up for an adventure, take a boat trip to the nearby Formentera. This little sister island of Ibiza is a paradise for beach lovers with crystal-clear waters and white sand beaches. It's perfect for a day trip if you want to escape the crowds. For something a bit different, check out Cova de Can Marçà. Located in Puerto de San Miguel, this cave is over 100,000 years old and has a fascinating history tied to smuggling. It's a cool spot to explore, especially with the guided tours that take you through the stunning rock formations and underground lakes. All right, we can't talk about Ibiza without mentioning its legendary nightlife. First, let's start with the superclubs. Pacha is an absolute classic, known for its house music and glamorous vibe. Amnesia is where you go for epic techno and house parties. And then there's Ushuaia, famous for its open-air parties that start in the afternoon and go well into the night. But it's not all about superclubs. Ibiza has a fantastic bar scene too. Head to the West End in San Antonio for a fun, lively vibe with plenty of affordable drink options. Or if you're looking for something a bit more chilled, the Old Town in Ibiza Town is perfect for rooftop cocktails and scenic views. And of course, don't miss the iconic sunset spots like Cafe Mambo, where you can enjoy world-class DJ sets as the sun goes down. When it comes to accommodation, Ibiza has something for every budget. If you're looking for luxury, stay at one of the upscale resorts like Nobu Hotel Ibiza Bay or Six Senses Ibiza. These places offer top-notch amenities, including spas, gourmet dining, and stunning beachfront locations. For mid-range options, check out Hotel Garbi Ibiza and Spa in Playa d'Ombosa or Aguas de Ibiza in Santa Eulalia. They offer a mix of comfort, style, and great locations without breaking the bank. If you're on a budget, there are plenty of hostels and budget hotels around San Antonio and Ibiza Town. Places like Hostel La Torre offer incredible views and a cozy atmosphere at a more affordable price. Before you go, here are a few tips to make the most of your trip to Ibiza. First, if you're planning to visit in peak season, June to September, book everything in advance. Hotels, restaurants, and clubs get packed, so it's best to be prepared. Renting a car is a great idea if you want to explore the island's hidden spots and remote beaches. Public transport is decent, but having your own wheels gives you more freedom. Don't forget to pack sunscreen and stay hydrated. Ibiza gets hot, and you'll be spending a lot of time outdoors. Lastly, plan your nights out. Ibiza's clubs often have specific nights dedicated to certain DJs or music genres. Check the event calendars and book your tickets early for the best experience. And that's a wrap for our ultimate Ibiza travel guide. Whether you're here for the beaches, the culture, or the nightlife, Ibiza is ready to give you an unforgettable experience. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more travel content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something you think we missed. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.